Hello everyone, in this video I am showing how to replace a string with a substring in Python. String replace. Okay, here I am assigning a string to the string variable. I like Python. As is initialized to I like Python, then we are printing the variable yes, then replace the like with another substring. For that we are using k equal to s dot replace within brackets first like is replaced with love. Okay, then print the variable k. Run the code. Sorry, here print it is monitored. Okay, here the variable k contains I love Python. Like is replaced with love using the replace function. Thank you for watching this video.